Welcome to Hybus News. My name is Suresh Kochatal. Future Retail told the Delhi High Court that the Kishore Biyani-led Future Retail Limited on Thursday that Amazon was not its shareholders and has no say in its affairs, and the interim order passed by the Singapore International Arbitration Centre was of no value. The Future Group and Amazon have been locked in a battle after the US-based company took FRL into an emergency arbitration over the alleged breach of contract. The SAAC on October 25th had passed an interim order in favor of Amazon, barring FRL from taking any step to dispose or encumber its assets or issuing any securities to secure any funding from a restricted party. Subsequently, Amazon wrote to the market regulators SEBI, stock exchanges and the Competition Commission of India, urging them to take into consideration the Singapore arbitrator's interim decision as it's a binding order, FRL told the High Court. Justice Mukta Gupta was told by senior advocate Harish Salve, representing FRL, that the order of the emergency arbitrator was one of no value and has no efficacy in law. I am entitled to ignore this, he said. I am subject to the Indian courts, and if a gentleman sitting in Singapore says something, I can bend that order. It does not show any disrespect. I am saying it's a matter of law, Mr. Salve contended. Mr. Salve said that Amazon only held the shares in Future Coupons Limited, which is FCL, a shareholder in Future Retail, and thus has no say in the affairs of FRL. Amazon is not even a minority shareholder in Future Retail Limited. How can there be rights conferred upon it? He submitted, adding that Amazon is asserting minority rights without even holding a single share in FRL. Thousands may lose their jobs, Future Retail Limited may go bankrupt, but this great American giant should not be upset. Compare the figures invested by Amazon and what Reliance is offering, he said. That is the amount needed to rescue Future Retail Limited from bankruptcy, he added. The submissions on behalf of FRL will continue on November the 19th. The court held that on November 10th, sought response from Amazon's on FRL's plea, alleging that the e-commerce major was interfering in its 24,713 crore deal with Reliance Retail on the basis of an interim order, the Singapore arbitrator. The court had also issued summons to Amazon, FCL and Retail of Reliance Group on the FRL suit and asked them to file the written statements within 30 days. It has said that the issue of maintainability of the suit raised by Amazon would be kept open. FCL, that is Future Coupons Limited, and its promoters had also supported FRL's claims and contentions. All three, Future Retail Limited, Future Coupons Limited and Reliance, contended that if Amazon's claim that is indirectly invested in Future Retail Limited by investing in Future Coupons Limited was accepted, then it would amount to a violation of the Indian foreign direct investment laws, which permit only a 10% investment by a foreign entity in a multi-brand retail sector. They also said that the group company concept cannot be applied in the instant case. Senior advocate Gopal Subramaniam, who had appeared for Amazon, opposed Future Retail's Limited plea, saying all the arguments raised here by it were made before the EA, which considered and rejected them. He said that FRL, being a company of Future Group, would be governed by the arbitration agreement between FCL and Amazon. He further argued that FCL had a 9.82% stake in FRL, and since Amazon holds a 49% stake in FCL, the e-commerce major would only have half of the 9.82% stake in its favor. In August this year, Future had reached an agreement to sell its retail, wholesale, logistics and warehousing units to Reliance. As per the SAAC interim order, a 3-member arbitration panel needs to be set up within 90 days from the date of the judgment, with one judge each being appointed by Future and Amazon, along with a third neutral judge. On November 10th, Amazon had told the court that it and FCL have appointed their respective arbitrators. Thank you for watching.